everybody, this is Albie from Pasadena, California, and for my business partner Elizabeth in Macedonia, we both want to welcome you to this short video. We're going to give you some really great tips about earning online. So let's get going.
Hey there, it's Albie. How you doing today? All right, so today I want to help you to get your 3 pages done for Referral Frenzy for the One Club, to get them at least created, right? So you have 3 pages that you need to make, and they're already actually made for you. You just have to go and select them, give them a title, and put them in your kind of like in your back office, all right, or the where the funnel builder is. So you can then the next step is to connect them together, right? So real easy. Make the pages and then link them together. Okay. So this video is going to be about how to actually get the pages made and or copied and placed in your funnel builder, so that the next video will be about how to connect them together. Okay. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into the hba.app, and then we're going to click enter. And now we're going to log into our funnel builder in HBA. So we're going to go here to the second one, where it says Funnel Builder Academy, and we're going to click on the blue button, purple bluish button right here. And now we're going to log in. And then it's really easy actually. All we're going to do is just going to create, name 3 templates really quick. And so we're going to go to this little menu right here. It looks like kind of like a little tornado. I call it the tornado menu. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to, you're probably not going to have to scroll to the bottom. It's probably going to be, the bottom's going to be right in front of you. But just go down to the bottom, wherever that is, and then click on the green button that says Add New Step, and we're going to click Page right here, okay? Once you click the page, now you're going to be in the Template Club. The Template Club is a vast amount of templates that HBA has, but we're actually not going to go there. We're going to go over here to the categories on the left-hand side, and we're going to scroll down. Once you put your mouse over the categories, scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click on where it says Albie Derbyshire, and then you're going to click on that, and it's going to look like nothing's going to happen. It's going to be like a white screen. You want to just scroll up, and you're going to see the beginning of the funnel, and now you're going to see another bar right here next to it, and you can scroll down and see all the funnels in here, okay? So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to grab the the splash page right here. You want to select it. It's the third one over. If it's not the third one over when you're looking at the screen, when you're doing this, just find the one that looks like this, okay? And it says earn $25 to $75 for free. We're actually going to change the image on this, but we want this template, all right? So you're going to click select, and just for the sake of making this really easy, you can call this splash, right? The splash page, or you can call it RF splash, okay? And then just press add, all right? And if you want, you can also put number 1, so you'll know it's the very first page, okay? So we'll do that. All right. So now here's the page, okay? So we've created the very first page. Now let's go to the second page. So again, you're going to go to the tornado menu, open it up, go down to the bottom where the green button is, and click Add New Step. And we're going to click Page again. We're going to scroll down here on the left-hand side all the way to the bottom where it says Albie Derbyshire, almost at the bottom. And then again, scroll up to find the funnels, and then use the second scroll bar to scroll down if you need whatever funnel you need to find. So we're going to click the opt-in page second, okay? So we're going to press select, and we're going to put RF for Referral Frenzy opt. And then we're going to press, maybe we'll put number 2 because it's the second page, and we're going to press add. And now the second page has been done. All right. Now we're going to create the third page. We're going to go again to the tornado menu. We're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to add new step. Just to repeat over and over again, right? 3 repeats. So we're going to we're going to scroll down to the bottom, press Albie Derbyshire, and then scroll up. And now we want the Referral Frenzy welcome page or the bridge page. And you're going to click this one or this one. Okay, I prefer this one, but you're welcome to use this as well. It's got a video, a cool video. So our team is mostly using this one, so grab a hold of this one. We're actually testing these pages out, so if your sponsor tells you to use this one, then go ahead. Because we have to actually test them out to see which ones are working the best. I have a feeling this is going to work better though, but time will tell, right? All right, so press select. And we're going to put RF, and then we're going to put bridge page. And since it's the second bridge page, you can put the number. Actually, since it's the third page, just put number 3. There we go. Okay, and then press add. And there we go. Here it is, right here. So now you have all 3 pages made. Now we're actually going to, if you're going to use this funnel, we actually need one more page, okay, that goes along with this. So let's go to the tornado menu one more time. And we're going to scroll down. We're going to click add new step, and we're going to click page. Scroll down again. Oops. Add new page. And scroll down to the bottom. And then we're going to scroll up. And I'll scroll all the way to the top and then use the second bar to move us down. There we go. Okay. Okay, so as we're scrolling down, you can see it's right here. It's the one that says almost there. It's just a simple place for people to put their phone number in there, and that's really going to help us a lot because we can text them back and actually make a real life connection with these people. And that'll really help us to bring people in to not only Referral Frenzy, but the One Club as well. Okay, so we're going to press select on this one, and we're going to put this one as the phone opt, and you can put this number 4. That's page number 4, okay? And just let you know, I usually only use 3 pages of Connect, but we're adding this phone number in here just because Referral Frenzy doesn't actually give you phone numbers. This is really going to help our team a lot. So for that reason, we have decided as a team to add one more page. So anyway, just connect that last one, and really set that up. And now here's the page. Now the next video is going to be about how to actually connect these pages together and get them to work. And so you can go on to that video now. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more travel and tips earning online videos just like these. And like always, I want to thank you for helping us to succeed. We want to turn around and help you to learn how to succeed as well. And if you'd like to find out what the skills are to help you to learn how to earn consistently online, then I'm going to put up my email right here and the link that you can join our team and get in contact with me, and I can share some of these skills with you, a little bit about our program, and help you to find out more about how we earn consistently on the internet. And we're looking forward to meeting you. This is Albie. You have a wonderful day, and talk with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.